So guys, the CEX token is one token that is going to be very massive and you don't want to miss out. Just because Hamster Combat disappointed you doesn't mean you should start missing out on good projects like the CEXP project. It's not a project to actually miss out on. It is actually a project that all of you should get into and start mining as soon as possible. For those of you that are yet to join, the link will be in the description. I'm going to be moving to my phone screen right now to show you what the CEX token is about and how you can get yourself positioned for this airdrop and also earn a lot from this airdrop, make some money for yourself and also be part of this airdrop. One of the reasons why I love this airdrop so much is because it is owned by a reputable centralized exchange, which is the CEX.io exchange, right? That's one of the reasons why I feel like this airdrop is no joke. It's not a joke. So you should not miss out on this airdrop because this airdrop is actually massive. Well, anyone can actually fail us, right? But I feel this project is going to be a massive one. So I'm going to be heading to my phone screen now to show you what you need to start doing to get yourself prepared for this airdrop. And if you have not joined, I will leave the link down in my description. So you click on that link and you get started as soon as possible. Now I'm moving to my phone screen to show you what you need to know. So for those of you that are yet to join, the link will be in the description. So click on that link and you'll be able to open your app like this, right? And for those of you that have joined before, good for you, right? So now one of the things that you can do basically to earn your CEXP token is by hitting on this place here that says job, this place right here. So when you click on it, you see that this place over here we keep reducing, right? So that's one way to earn your CEXP token. It's like work, right? So that's one way to earn. You keep tapping it like that to earn more tokens for yourself. So another way you can do this is by coming to this place that says mine over here. When you click on it, so you can upgrade all of this, right? You can upgrade them and they would keep making more tokens for you. So this mining, this is power, this is business, this is special. So you can always get this. You can increase the levels, right? You can increase the levels. It's just like Hamster Combat, something of that nature. So you just keep buying all those things and keep upgrading them. Another way you can earn massively in this project is by inviting your friends, right? That's one way to earn. And whenever you invite your friends, you can always come here to claim what your friends have mined for you, right? You just claim it and you come back again the next time to claim. So that's basically what it is about. Another way again you can earn on this platform is when you come to this place here that says task over here. You click on it and you do all those tasks. All this task you earn from it. So you see, this project is not something you should joke with, but I feel you should get yourself positioned for this airdrop because this airdrop is going to be massive. So guys, that's basically what I brought here. I just brought this update so you can get yourself involved in this so you don't miss out on it. Basically, that's why I'm bringing this right now. So no known update so far regarding the airdrop. When they're going to be launching is not known yet. But then you can just start mining the project. You know, CEXP.io has been functioning now for a while. So it is actually they have good backup, right? So that's basically why I feel the project is going to be massive. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.